Hey guys, welcome to the video. Can you hear that? That's the sound of spring. It's April 1st and the insurance is back on the Warrior and I can drive it again. But before I take it out, I want to do an oil change and just get it ready for the season. When I got the car, it had a sticker inside that said the oil change was good until 16,000 miles. And right now I'm at 15.9, so it's time for an oil change and I'm going to put some fresh oil in it and I should be good for the summer. So let's get this thing up on ramps and let's do that now. Alright, I've never put this car up on ramps, so I'm just going to get slow and see if anything's going to scrape. I think they should fit, but let's see how it goes. It looks like I should be okay. I gotta see if the splitter will hit this spot here, but I'm thinking it might work. Let me go up a little bit and we'll see. Alright, so the splitter did clear. I did okay, I guess. I'm just gonna roll it up another foot and then we should be good to go. Alright, that should be good. It's up on the ramp, so now let's pop the hood and start going on the oil change. My wife's out of town. I hope she doesn't mind. I took our blanket off our bed so I could change the oil. Just kidding, I didn't do that. This is an old blanket. Alright, I'm going to have a look under here and see exactly what I got to do. I don't know if there's any cowlings I have to remove, so let's look under here and see what we got. Alright, it's a little tight under there, but I did see that the oil drain is way in the back and there's nothing in the way. There's one little bolt I need to do for the oil filter, but it should be pretty straightforward. Let me give you guys a look and show you what I'm looking at. Okay, so the oil drain is right there, and sorry for the poor lighting. And then over here, I just got to undo this to get access to the oil filter. So, let's get at it. Alright, I got a 15-quart drain pan and I got a rag to wipe up any residual oil. And I got an oil filter wrench and I've got this handy tool that has every size drain plug that you can think of. So one of these should be the right one. So let's get that drain out. Alright, I got my drain plug loose and now I'm just pulling off the cap here. 10 quarts should come out. Alright, I got all the oil drained out. Now I just gotta undo the filter cover and get the filter off. I'm gonna move the drain pan under the filter in case any residual oil falls down. I did discover this is a 7mm socket, so I'm gonna take this off. Loosened up good. Now let's see if we can pull it out. Ugh. Oh. I'm sure it's easier on a lift, but I couldn't see what I was doing and the oil just spilled all over the place down there. Luckily I had the pan there to catch all the residual oil, and I don't think I spilled any on the pavement, but we'll see. Now I just got to put this cover back on. Alright, I'm all done underneath the car. The last thing I got to do now is fill it up with fresh oil. This car takes 10 quarts, so I'm going to put about 9 in, check the levels, and then see how much more I need to add. Alright guys, my oil change on the Roush is complete and it's ready for the season. The oil change went smoothly, there was no problems. I checked the fluid and it's right at the top, so it's right where it needs to be, and everything went great. I'm excited to use this car this year. It's going to be fun. And also, as you can see, I cleaned out my garage here and added my toolbox and some shelving back there. So I'm all set for the season there, and we're starting to have some room in here. And as you can see, the room here is just enough for my new... Oh wait, I wasn't supposed to tell you guys what it was. I'll beep that out. But anyway, my bike is going to go here. It's going to, you know, fit here perfectly right next to the Roush. And I talked to the dealer today, and that'll be coming on Thursday. I got to go there at 10 a.m., pick up my new motorcycle, and bring her home. So I can't wait to show you guys what it is, and that's all I have for you. Have a good day, and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks.